Now we can finish the remaining shapes. First is tight teardrop. Make a tight coil and we are going to press it to make a teardrop. So now first we are going to roll the paper strip completely. Pull it off the slaughter tool and glue the tip and make a tight coil. Now I press one part as tight as I can and get a teardrop shape. Next is grape roll. For a grape roll, make a tight coil and slide it out of the tool, glue the tip, then with your little finger push it from behind slightly up so that it makes an elevation. Since the elevation here is not smooth, I am going to smoothen it with my fingers. To fix this shape, I apply some glue to the inside of the shape from behind. When it dries, the glue will hold the shape well. We can leave the glue to dry and move on with tapered shape. For this, I need to have my paper strip inside the slaughter tool at a slight angle. This step is very important to get the shape. Then, slowly I roll my tool. Because of the angle we use, the paper strip will get rolled in a tapered way. Move the tool slowly and the shape will get built up gradually. Make sure to maintain the same angle. If the angle is changed, then it may break the shape or distort the shape. Once the shape is done, apply glue to the tip and gradually push it out of the tool. Then apply a good amount of glue to the inside of the shape. You can use a needle tool to spread the glue at every nook and corner of the shape. Now the tapered shape is done and we can allow it to dry. Next is tendril. For tendril, you will need a needle tool or a toothpick. Take a small strip of paper and place it at an angle over the needle tool. This angle should be more than what we used in making the tapered shape. Hold the needle tool in one hand and the paper strip in another hand. Now roll the paper strips slowly. Make sure each layer of the paper strip don't overlap each other like in the last one. Keep rolling until the tip of the paper and this forms a tendril. So we have completed all the shapes and go on to learning how to use these shapes to make your own quilling designs.